boys and girls. I see you there. Thanks for waking me up, though. Let's check the time. I think I slept long. Oh, yep, I slept long. It's 5:35 p.m. But it's okay, because it's Saturday. We have no school today. Let me see if I did my homework. Turn it on. 100 plus 0 equals 100. So now we're going to make a book. We need a paper, scissors, and a crayon, and a stapler. Ask your parents if you need help with scissors and a stapler. So first, we have to fold it in half. And fold it in half again. If you want to fold it in half again, you can just do it like this. But I'm not going to do it. I'm going to make a few pages. Hold on. There you go. There you go. So now, hold on. So right here, don't staple. This, yeah, staple it. Because this is the open side. And you don't want to staple the open side, or else, where will we open? Oh, I think it got stuck. There you go. If it gets stuck, you have to do it harder. There, like that. And the open side, we have to cut it. Well, like that. All right, so open hole, you have to cut it. But you have to staple it first, or else it'll just be all cut. Let me cut a little bit of it. Let me cut the top because it's crooked. A little bit crooked. Like, and that. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna write Giovanni the YouTuber, but I don't know how to spell YouTuber. So if I spell it wrong, if I spell it wrong, it's okay. Giovanni. The you I think I spelled it right. The YouTuber. Giovanni the YouTuber. I'm gonna write me. I'm on top of the O. 2 dots and a smiley face. And this is the end of the video. Had so much fun making a book with you. Oh, and for waking me up, I'll give you 1 star. For waking me up. All right, bye.